Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video on your way out. Today I'm talking about the brand new product from IT Cosmetics. This is their Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. So they do have the CC cream that a lot of people are familiar with. So this is their newest innovation. It's supposed to be your all-in-one. So it's supposed to be your moisturizer, primer, foundation. It's supposed to be full coverage, and it's supposed to be very full of benefits such as anti-aging benefits, skin flex technology so that it really floats over your skin, creates more of a smooth canvas, great for anyone who has fine lines and wrinkles, anyone who suffers from dry, dehydrated skin, and is supposed to just give you a skin-like type of feeling, but with full coverage. I am a lover of the CC cream already, and they're both kind of comparable when it comes to the texture. So I have the medium CC cream, and I'm going to swatch this next to the full coverage moisturizer. The package looks just like the CC cream, and it has a pump. So I'm going to put it right here, right next to it. So this is the CC cream, and that's how it looks when it starts to get blended out. This one is the moisturizer. I'm trying to determine what the difference is. They both smell similar. I found that right when I applied it to my skin, it did just absorb like a moisturizer. It didn't leave like a really tacky feeling. It just felt like skin. As opposed to the CC cream, you do have to work a little bit more to kind of blend it out. So that's the difference between them. So I'll go ahead and show you the demo of me applying it, and then we'll get talking about my final thoughts. So let's put it to the test. Let's see how it goes on, and let's wear it throughout the day and see how it lasts. They do recommend that you use a brush, but I didn't purchase the brush. I do have different buffing brushes. I'm going to try the Real Techniques one today, the buffing brush. I didn't put anything on my face. This is meant to be your one step. So I just washed my face. I'm gonna put a few pumps on my hand, and there's some there. Let's put this on one side of my face. So there's one side compared to the other side. I don't really do things with my fingers. Let's see. I don't know. I don't have an impression yet. It just reminds me of the CC cream. The brush makes it really, really fast. So that's good. This could be definitely just one step. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put on the rest of my face. I put on some blush. I put on Wild Rose by Pacifica. It did kind of go on really patchy, so I would probably set this, even though it's supposed to be a moisturizer. And then I just put on some mascara. I put on the new Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, which I have a review on, and I really like it, so I'll link that down below. And then I just put on a gloss from Urban Decay. This one's in Seso. It's from their Naked line. So this is pretty much just a very quick type of look. We're just going to see how the moisturizer, foundation, whatever you want to call it, holds up. Right now it feels like it absorbed into my skin completely. It's not tacky. It just feels very hydrated, which is nice. Previously, they had a more limited shade range. They've added 5 new shades to this foundation. To see what I think at the end of the day, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts, so just keep watching. Guys, I wanted to show you guys how this looks in natural lighting. So as I was looking closer, this foundation's a little bit too dark for me. But it looks really beautiful on the skin. It does look really luminous and skin-like. And this is in natural lighting. It didn't cover up all of my imperfections, like my breakouts and stuff, but it feels really nice. So I just wanted to show you guys how it was looking now, but so far so good, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. So my final thoughts on this product is it's kind of on the fence, because I see a lot of benefits with this type of product, especially for someone who's looking for something like this. So for me personally, because I have oily skin, it's not very long wearing. So if I didn't use it with anything else or I don't set it, it's not going to last on my face all day. It isn't full coverage to me. I did have breakouts and things that I wanted to cover up, and I didn't feel like it covered it up completely. And you should set this as well. So it's not going to be 100% all in one. It'll be from your moisturizer, primer, foundation, but you'll need to probably, if you're like normal to oily or beyond, you'll have to set it as well and then continue on with the rest of your makeup. The one thing that I did notice is it didn't exaggerate my oil, so I didn't use anything with it that day, and it actually still kept my skin looking radiant, made it look skin-like. It didn't look really like like the oil wasn't pooling around areas that it usually does. This actually is good. This would be a great alternative for me, just to kind of put it on as my moisturizer, because it didn't make my skin look super oily. Felt like nothing, absolutely nothing. The only other thing I could compare it to is maybe mineral foundation that you buff into your skin. It just feels very lightweight. I do like the fact that it's one step for anti-aging and for skin benefits. So if you're starting to take care of your skin, you really want to have hydration, keep your skin very plump and moisturized. So this product's going to help you with that, especially because of the SPF 50. So the best thing for you to do for your skin is stay out of the sun, wear sun protection, wear hats. You don't want to be tanning your face. The physical sunscreen is the best way for you to go when it comes to protecting your skin from the sun. Because it's an all-in-one, this will be great for travel, especially if you're going to maybe a hot place where you want to stay out in the sun, you want to be by the pool, maybe you're going to be doing outdoor activities. I feel like this would be really great because it's your one step. Most of the time, if you're unfamiliar with how SPF works, if it says SPF 50, it's not going to be SPF 50 the entire day. You do have to reapply SPF throughout the day. So something like this is really going to help, because you can just continue to apply it maybe in the morning and then maybe towards like the afternoon if you did. But for me personally, I'm not going to be using something like this every single day. I'm not going to be reaching for it. My preference is usually medium to full coverage type of foundations that are mattifying, that will absorb oil so that I don't have to touch it up throughout the entire day. I don't have to worry about it until I get home. So for me personally and my skin type, it's not going to work for my lifestyle. But I am going to trade it in for the color that I want, which is light, and I'm going to take it with me when I go traveling. I'm going to use this on days that I want a more natural look, a no makeup look, maybe just one step to run errands, to do whatever, just no fuss type of makeup day. I'm definitely going to keep this just for the other benefits of it. So overall, I really, really like this product. But thank you guys so much for watching my review, and we'll see you in the next video.